Benefiting from China's rapid economic growth, the construction industry in China has experienced consistent growth in recent years. For decades, China Railway Construction Corporation Limited, CRCC, has been developing very fast and become one of the best known and largest integrated construction companies in China and the world. In 2011, the ranking of CRCC among the Fortune Global 500 companies was 105. And according to Engineering News Record magazine, CRCC ranked top 3 among the top 225 global contractors. CRCC has a broad business scope, covering construction, survey, design and consultancy, industrial manufacturing, real estate development, logistics and trading, as well as capital investment. CRCC has consistently undertaken a leading role in the railway construction in China over the past 60 years and independently constructed over 40,000 kilometers of railways, accounting for over 50% of China's railway lines built since 1949. CRCC was in charge of all the survey and design work for Qinghai-Tibet Railway and undertook over 70% of the construction. We successfully overcame 3 significant challenges presented by permafrost, low oxygen levels due to high altitude, and the fragile ecology of the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau. CRCC has participated in the construction of all the high-speed railway projects in China. The Shanghai-Hangzhou Intercity High-Speed Railway, which was solely designed and partially constructed by CRCC, achieved a testing speed of 416.6 kilometers per hour. In the construction of Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway, which represents the highest standard of high-speed railway construction of China, CRCC undertook the biggest proportion of design and construction work. CRCC is one of the largest highway construction contractors in China, which has constructed more than 100 expressways and high grade of highways with a total length of over 30,000 kilometers. CRCC has designed and constructed the major bridges and landmark tunnels in China. The Zhejiang River Bridge on the Shanghai-Chengdu Expressway is a 430-meter span deck-type arched bridge, which is a miracle of the expressway bridges in the mountainous areas in the world. The Zhejiang River Bridge on the Guangzhou-Shuhai Railway adopts the technology of continuous rigid frame and flexible arch. The span of this bridge is the second largest among the similar railway bridges in the world. The total mileage of tunnels completed by CRCC exceeds 10,000 kilometers, which includes Qinlin Tunnel, Xiamen-Qiang'an Submarine Tunnel, Shijiyang Underwater Railway Tunnel, and the Yichang-Wanzhou Railway Tunnels. From Line 1 of Beijing Subway, the first subway in China, to Chongqing Light Rail, China's first straddle-type monorail transportation system, and Shanghai Maglev Demonstration Line, the first and only maglev in commercial operation in the world, CRCC has participated in the construction of all the urban subways and light rails in China, with a completed mileage of more than 700 kilometers. CRCC has business presence in 46 countries and regions around the world. From the first overseas railway project of China, the Tanzania-Zambia Railway, CRCC has become one of China's fastest growing global contractors with the highest amount of new contracts value. CRCC has made numerous new contract records in Chinese international engineering. At the moment, CRCC has about 200 overseas projects, with a contract value of $23.8 billion US dollars. CRCC is the largest heavy-duty track maintenance machinery manufacturer in Asia and the second largest in the world. The high-speed railway turnout manufactured by CRCC takes 1/3 of the domestic market share. CRCC produces 66 categories in 35 series of high-speed railway electrification catenary accessory with proprietary intellectual property rights. CRCC has mastered the world's leading core technology with independent IP rights for tunnel boring machine, with a capability to manufacture 40 units of shield TBM annually. CRCC's real estate business has been expanding rapidly and healthily. About 60 real estate development projects have been developed in 30 cities, such as Beijing, Tianjin, Chongqing, Guangzhou, Hangzhou, Chengdu, Nanning, etc. The sales exceeded $1.6 billion US dollars for the past 2 consecutive years. The CRCC International City, CRCC Hill City have become well-known brands in Chinese market. CRCC has constructed about 1,000 major housing projects domestically and internationally, represented by CCB headquarters, CAS Library, Science Complex of Beijing University, Zhongguancun Financial Center, Xiamen North Railway Station, Kunming Resettlement Housing Projects, etc. The annual completed gross floor area reaches 60 million square meters, with a contract value of $7.9 billion US dollars. CRCC was ranked the 5th among the top 50 Chinese logistics providers. CRCC is also the largest railway construction logistics service provider in China and the second largest railway materials supplier in the world. Our logistics networks cover 25 traffic hub cities with large-scale warehouses and logistics spaces. CRCC's capital investment business is expanding rapidly. At present, there are over 30 investment projects in both China and abroad, with a total investment of $9.5 billion US dollars. The Chongqing-Suining Expressway pays good returns. Reconstruction and extension of the Second Ring Road of Kunming City and Guiyang North Second Ring Road projects have already been completed. The third passageway between Chongqing and Chengdu is progressing well. The Donghai Island Comprehensive Development Project in Jianjiang, Guangdong Province was successfully started. The Lekki Free Trade Zone project in Nigeria and the Copper Mine project in Ecuador are moving forward well. The comprehensive industrial chain enables CRCC to provide its clients one-stop services. The abundant technological competence enables CRCC to resolve various complicated challenges. The dedicated, experienced management team has successfully led our company to many remarkable achievements. Since 2009, the annual new contracts signed maintained at over $79.4 billion US dollars, while the turnover maintained at $71.4 billion US dollars. Facing the challenges and the ever-changing economic environment, CRCC is working hard to improve technologies and managing skills to achieve maximum profits and make maximum return. Our goal is to be the leader of China's construction industry and the most competitive construction group in the world. CRCC, build for the future.